how has this been, this experience of, drumming up this interest and building up that whole infrastructure for you been over the last...
How's it been? Exhausting, man. But we're shipping with over 70,000 applications in the catalog. And I think that is a monumental achievement.
Absolutely.
When you look at what our competitors shipped with when they first shipped their Gen 1 products, 2 of them had no applications, one of them had 7,000. This is the largest catalog of applications that has ever been assembled in the history of mobile for a first-gen product. So quite proud of that. And it has to do with the tremendous effort that we've put into going and meeting developers around the world. I mean, we ran a world tour last year, we hit 44 cities with the BlackBerry 10 Jam World Tour on every continent except Antarctica, because there weren't any software developers there. It was tremendously effective, because when developers see what it is that we've built, when they see how easy it is to build applications for the BlackBerry 10 platform, and when they understand the business opportunity that's available, they look at it and they say, yeah, there's no reason why we wouldn't do this. It's a really good opportunity. It's a golden opportunity to be part of the first generation launch of a new product.
Cool. No, I concur to that. So that was reason one. There's the tool chain familiarity. We can get up and running very quickly, and it's a breeze to develop for, and getting to where you want to go. Now, are there things that we should be communicating to the world in regards to what's so special about the functionality from, anything particular from the device, from the platform, that you'd like to talk to us about, that people can leverage right out of the box, kind of thing?
Yeah, I think that one of the things that we have that's an advantage, and it's going to sound a little bit counterintuitive when I tell you this, but because we launched 5 years later than everybody else, we've had the opportunity to reimagine and reinvent what a smartphone can be. So BlackBerry 10 is fundamentally a tool that's about getting stuff done. The hub, which is the central metaphor for BlackBerry 10, is always one finger stroke away. It allows you to get access to everything that is messaging related or notification related on the platform. We know from working with our users that BlackBerry users are fundamentally more social than other platforms.
Yeah.
And part of that was because during the rise of the social networks, BlackBerry became very, very popular amongst the Facebook generation and the Twitter generation because of its ability to be a great communication platform. So there's a number of trends that we've leveraged, and from a development perspective, there are frameworks that we've built right into the platform that allow you to take advantage of those trends. So, for example, the notification framework allows you to populate the hub with notifications from your application so it can be part of the BlackBerry 10 experience. And the share framework allows you to quickly and easily share content with the social network of your choice. We don't actually have to program to a specific social networking API, because BlackBerry 10 has a layer that lets you plug in arbitrary social networks. And then there's the card metaphor. So you can make an application become a handler for a particular data type. And as you start to drill into it, for example, you might get a piece of email with a PDF, an embedded PDF in it. And as you click on that PDF with your finger, then up comes the card for the PDF handler, which slides on top. You might find a link inside the PDF, and when you invoke that link, up comes the card for the browser that slides on top again. And so that whole seamless flow experience can be leveraged and used by any application that wants to be part of the BlackBerry 10 experience. Because we see the applications themselves as really being a multiplier effect, an instantiation of what makes a great BlackBerry experience. They're not just something that you sort of add on and tack on, but they become an integral part of the user experience for the customer.
Absolutely, and everything that you said there, I've heard some of our crew discuss about, and how is it so well integrated in the context of the flow, and everything is fluid and everything is very snappy, and the ability to actually hook into this social layer is because the BlackBerry platform being such a social platform is, another add-on. I mean, something that you've mentioned, but something that I really want to highlight. The fact of the matter is that you can be very social very quickly with your apps on the platform of BB10.
Yeah.
And the cards and the handlers being able to call applications from within your app that are on the device and that you can manage this way is something that they also brought up to us. Now, I guess that this is actually the accelerators and everything being able to call this natively or else from the other frameworks, no matter what platforms or what language you decide to use, is also very interesting from our standpoint.